Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the exact installation folder and the registry entries for the old Python. Open Settings Apps, but first note the Python version and path shown. Once done, export your packages with pip freeze to requirements, txt, and copy any project virtualims. Make sure all editors and terminals using that interpreter are closed, because active processes block removal. Now proceed to the uninstaller in Settings to start the removal. Next, run the Settings uninstaller for that specific Python entry, choosing to remove files when prompted. After the GUI step, manually delete any remaining installation folders under Program Files and App Data to avoid conflicts. Then edit environment variables and remove path entries pointing to the old Python and scripts directories. This prevents accidental execution. If comfortable, open Regedit and remove Python core keys tied to that version. Do this carefully, and only target keys that match the exact version you removed. Finally, reboot Windows so any locked files are released and path changes take effect. After restarting, open a command prompt and run Python version to confirm the old version is gone and the correct interpreter is active. If you need packages, reinstall via pip install R requirements. txt. Troubleshooting. If Python still resolves to the removed version, recheck path ordering and remove any Microsoft Store Python app shortcuts. Also ensure no lingering Python exe remains in system folders. That fixes the usual issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.